Hello everyone, in this video I'll be demonstrating what is aerodynamics. So basically our common sense says if an object is moving at a high speed, then a slender body should be there, right? The nose should be pointed so that the less drag will be there. Okay, but let's understand that a pointed object, is it aerodynamically correct or not? Okay, so I'm going to show you this illustration. Now for that, as a fluid or considering the air, I've considered this incense stick smoke, as you can see over here. Now I couldn't get a prototype of a missile or aircraft, so I'm using a slender object. So you can see here like this. Okay, so now just observe this, how it is interacting with the smoke, right? So smoke is actually just overlapping the surfaces, isn't it? So initially whatever is this air in front of it, right, it is creating a boundary layer, right? So it is flowing close to the surface of the object, as you can see over here. So here what happens, the air will heat the object more, okay, because of friction. As we know, the faster the object moves and air, there will be a friction between air and the object. So as you can see here, most of the air, it slides down the surface of this pointed object, and that is the reason we don't use this slender object. Now let's see, if I replace it by this pointed nose by a blunt object, what will happen and how the air will behave. Okay, so let's see that. Now let's consider a rounded object. So as you can see over here, what happens, I've used a blunt nose, right? So most of the air is not touching the body, as you can see over here. I hope you can see it, right? It is going away from it. Can you see it? Right, so it passes away, and that is the reason at high speeds we use the blunt object, and it is recommended to use a blunt object rather than a slender object. Okay, now this concept in technical term is called as boundary layer concept. So as you can see here, the flames, they are going away from the body and then they are not dragging along the surface of the pointed nose. I hope you can see it now. So I hope you like this illustration. Thanks for watching everyone.